Welcome in, ladies and gents. So today we're going to carry on looking at BikuBot and the simple way of adding TTS to your stream. So let's get into it. Right, so we're going to show you how to do the TTS now. It is so easy to do, and it actually gives you quite a few options as well. So let's get into the bot. So we can either do it via a command, you can do it via channel points. So I have actually already got one set up via channel points via TTS. So user input message, all they have to do is select on my channel points. So down here, where are we? We're not catch Pokemon, that's something completely different. TTS, press the like button.
Press the like button.
There you go. So press that like button. I already have that set up, but the way it is done, where are we? TTS, it is literally, we add a text to speech. We've already put the cost at the top. I'm pointing at the screen, but you can't see that. So we've got the points redemption, TTS. You can set that in your dashboard, or you can actually set it up, I believe, in BikuBot now directly, and it creates the channel point for you. You've set the cost like you would do any other channel point, and then you just set the text to speech, and if you want to queue it, if you want to always play in or block it, and then if you want to, you can set custom messages as well, but we don't need that for TTS, so people can write the message what they want. Obviously TTS for some people can be but I like it. It's a good way to, a good interaction, especially if I'm playing a game. People can put TTS and I can hear what they're putting. So but for now, we'll delete that one. Once you have done all your bits, make sure you press save, or else it will not work. The next way we can do it is commands. So we had I had set one up here, but we're gonna delete everything and we'll show you from scratch. So on the right hand side, what we are going to do is permissions. We're going to do it for just for me at the moment, but you can set it up for moderator, VIP, tier 3, tier 2, tier 1. You can do a specific user, or you can do follower or non-follower. We're going to then click the TTS there. I like to wang the volume up as loud as I can get it, because you can always control it inside of OBS anyway. We can then, if you want, you can set up a custom message. So subscribe to the channel. Again, make sure you press save, and you can always, like we did before, test it in here. Exclamation mark YouTube.
Subscribe to the channel,
and it'll play what you've got as your custom message. Alternatively, with that, we can have it so the user can type the message. Again, make sure we save it, and it will work like your channel point, your channel point TTS as well. So quick, so easy, so simple. You can also change all of your. You can change the voices, the region of where they're from and stuff like that. So there's loads of US English ones, Chinese, there's Dutch, so on and so forth. You get the idea. You can just change it to whatever you want. So yeah, so simple, so simple to get started and quick. So yeah, we're gonna have a lot more videos on BikuBot as well coming in the future, so keep your eyes peeled, and I'll catch you in the next one, ladies and gents. Peace.